Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about crypto.com Chronos token. There's a lot of controversy with this one. I've talked about it one time before, and just picking up from that last video where we were talking about how the possibility Chronos had come down within a wave 5 already, and this could be the possible upside move, or there could still be potential that it could still be coming down one more time to the downside. So these are all things that we have to be thinking about right now. Now, I was looking at these price movements, and I was thinking about that possibility that there could be one more wave down, or that could be complete. But the market is still very bearish. We're still not out of that drama with FTX, and there's still a lot of drama with crypto.com, or at least a lot of FUD. Who knows exactly what is going on? This article here from Bitcoinist, it says that crypto.com CRONOS token plunges 93% from its all-time high. Will the exchange become the next FTX? So that's the whole fear going on there. And it's funny that they're using this ticker here that is powered by crypto.com. Anyways, it says that crypto.com's token Chronos price is consolidating above what may be the last remaining support. CRO is nursing a 45% monthly drop, putting it near the bottom of a declining parallel channel that has served as support for much of the year. Now, just to bounce around to this part of the article that is really what we want to know, that says, will crypto.com collapse like FTX did? So there's a Twitter conversation with the CEO of crypto.com, and he had a Ask Me Anything session that was posted on Twitter on Sunday. And he has said that our platform is performing business as usual. People are depositing, people are withdrawing, people are trading. There's pretty much normal activity, just at a heightened level. We expect cryptocurrencies in general to continue fluctuating following the ongoing impact of the bear market, and now compounded with the ripple effect caused by FTX. So it's like they say, fortune favors the brave. Now, there could, of course, be this possibility that we've completed the wave 5 of the downside, and this is all part of upward movement, and that could be happening. But of course, there's so much going on with the crypto market. We still have not seen all the fallout, in my opinion, with what could happen with FTX. There's still a lot of information that's still developing. We know we're basically hearing new news every single day, and at some point, there's going to be a much larger impact on that with the entire market. Now, the stock market is doing good. Crypto market is still with extreme fear with everything going on. It's getting a lot of criticism, is losing a lot of fans, and it's in a pretty bad spot in comparison to where it's ever really been in my opinion. It's not viewed the same anymore, just due to all the bad actors that have come up this year. So I'm thinking that we're still going to be seeing it come down one more time, and that we have not completed a wave 5 or a wave, or possibly even a wave 4. So to drag this over and look at this, then what we're going to be saying is that, yeah, the waves 1 and the wave 2 are the same, but in this case, the wave 3 would be extended, which we want the wave 3 to have a much larger price movement anyways, and this looks a lot better in my opinion. A much larger wave 3. You don't really want a very large wave 5 usually. You want the wave 3 is usually the one with the largest price movement. The wave 4 never enters within the wave 1. So saying that the wave 5 was already complete still works, but the previous wave 3 was much shorter. So this could be something that would be a much better possibility in my opinion, just by appearance, not saying for people that are at risk of losing money with Chronos. And that would be that the wave 5 could be coming down a bit lower, somewhere possibly within the range of around 5 cents or lower as a possibility. And let's just throw in the Fibonacci retracement here and do this comparison on how this could be playing out. So just taking it from that low point to here, with both original possibilities, the wave 1 had come down a complete Fibonacci level. And then if we were to look at the price movements from the wave 2 to the wave 3, in the first scenario, it comes down to the close to the 786 level. But in this case, it's the entire Fibonacci movement within the third wave possibility. So in this case, if we were to look at that and think that, well, we went up then within the above the 786 Fibonacci level for the wave 4, then that wave 5 could be coming down one more Fibonacci level lower from here. So it could be a price movement similar to what the wave 1 was, or it can be a little bit longer. In this case, we'll have much more room to play with a much longer wave 3. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to drag this on over to our wave 4 and see how this would line up with what we currently got going on. So if I was to look at things right now, then we can see that the wave 5 would be lining up to the 382 Fibonacci level within this, and that would be possibly a good enough price movement, but we might even actually need to be bringing it down a little bit more just to make it look more attractive. And that could come down possibly to a price within range of being as low as 4 cents. So somewhere between 5 and 4 cents. And that would be this possibility that could be where CRONOS is headed. Now, of course, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see anybody lose money. I know people are very hopeful that they're going to be seeing this come up here soon, but at some point there needs to be a bottom before you can see anything really go back up. So if everything's fine with crypto.com, then CRONOS will still have potential, of course, and then there could be that possibility that once that bottoms in, then there could be some much more price movements to the upside. It's just the overall crypto market right now, it has so much manipulation. It has so many things interfering with it. It has so much negative press. It has so many people that are just looking to get out of it. All that really adds up with all the negativity that is out there right now. All of it really adds up. And that's really taking control of where the price could be going. So I'm not hopeful on seeing this thing go up very quickly, but I know a lot of people are playing it for that possibility of seeing 100%, 200, 300% gain real fast. I know a lot of YouTubers are talking about that, and I'm still someone that is just staying away from it, just because it's hard to trust someone's word when they're at risk of losing their business. If they are at risk of losing their business, it's hard to trust their word that it's not going to just go bankrupt. And that's what I'm fearful of, because someone can say one thing but mean a completely different other thing. Personally, just don't want to tell you the truth. So that's what I'm at fear of. I'm at fear of what could happen next, and that's why I'm staying away from CRONOS, from crypto.com token. And I'm going to instead just watch how the current market plays out, continue investing into these much larger cryptocurrencies, just due to the overall market situation. But if there's people out there that are willing to play the game, that are willing to risk it, I'd like to hear from you guys about your strategy here. Do you guys think that it's going to go up 100, 200, 300% here in the short term? What is your strategy? Feel free to comment. I'd like to hear from you. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one coming out very soon.